Here's a perfect example of what I'm talking about. This is a 2005 Audi A4 convertible. Currently has 38,000 miles. Automatic, leather, alloy wheels, power everything. German made, will last forever. $10,999. Come on. Let's check it out inside. Get the car started. Leather seats, power windows, locks and mirrors, of course. Start right up every time. 38,000 miles. I'll get that radio for you. Beautiful part about the Audi, power top works perfectly every single time. One button, that's all it takes. Windows go down, roof starts. Check it out.